Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. I'm at the pond with my G-Force twin mono. Time for a new speed run. I zeroed the GPS. I shortened the rudder bracket because last time I ran it I broke the rudder bracket and it got destroyed. These bushings broke out of the bracket. So I shortened it. It's now in front of the props. So let's see how it runs like this. Let's tape the boat up and go. Wow, there's a huge turning radius. Okay, there we go. Wow, awesome. Oh. It's running a little bit loose, but other than that, it runs great. Wow, awesome. Let's do another sprint. There we go. Oh wow. Nice. Comes a bit wobbly on the end, but other than that. Alright, let's bring her in and check the speed. Let's open up the hatch. Check the speed. What I like about a painted boat is that the tape sticks well. Before I painted it, the tape didn't stick at all. $113. Nice. I'm not sure if it's a record with these props, these 43 1.6 pitch props, and otherwise it's very similar to the old record. I think the record was 112, so that must be a record then. There is some water in the boat, so I will take it out. Then I will exchange the props for the 44 1.9 pitch props, put a new set of Lipos in and make the second run. 0 to GPS, fresh set of Lipos and the 44 1.9 pitch props. So let's go. The water just became a bit calmer, so let's directly go for a speed run. Here we go. Oh. Bolt runs loose. Oh. Running too loose. Oh, whoa, no. Oh, whoa, no. Big crash. No. No, doesn't steer anymore. Alright, let's try the rescue boat. I got the G-force recovered, but unfortunately I again broke the rudder. So this rudder bracket is just not strong enough. And while doing so, I also hit one of the props. This prop is damaged, unfortunately. Let's open up the boat and see the speed. It was just running too loose with this setting. These props need a little bit more down trim, or the center of gravity a little bit more forward. The next rudder bracket will be again elongated, so the rudder is behind the props, because I also didn't really like the steering with this setup. Turning radius was just way too big. Alright, let's see the speed. 116. Yeah, not too bad. I guess if the boat stayed on the water better, it could have been a little bit higher. But oh well. Alright, I'm going to pack up, bring it back to the workshop. One of the next videos will be making a new rudder bracket. So I hope to see you then. Bye!